Oh, you beauty. Are you videoing? Do you know how to send that? No. What I'm going to do is I'm going to ask you tomorrow, and then I'm going to send it to two different customers. So that's 27 meter boom reach plus 3.8 to the top of the boom. So that's 427, that's 31 meter to waist height. Eh? It's 32 meters, Stephen, to waist height. I'm running out of camera space here. I mean, as far as the reach. Sure. I'm running out of space here. Flores, have you got the whole thing in from the legs to the top? Are you finished, Roddy? Can it go more? Okay, no problem. Okay, you can let him down. Stop.